Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of urinary bladder for histology practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of urinary bladder. Number 1, urinary bladder is lined by transitional epithelium. Number 2, there is thick lamina propria. Number 3, very thick muscularis mucosa. Number 4, there is no glands. Number 5, there is no submucosa. These are the 5 identification points of urinary bladder for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of urinary bladder on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. On my YouTube channel, you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification video for histology, practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification by receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.